The activity. So to begin, students would access the local seed library. In this case, they could go to the South Broadway Community Center. And in their groups, the students would select 5 to 10 different seed packets. They would start by making a prediction or an estimation about how many seeds will be inside and record this number on a graph. Next, they can count the actual number of seeds inside each packet and record that number on a graph in a different color. Then they can calculate the average number of seeds within all the packets. Students can use this graph to compare their estimations and their calculations. They will also answer various extended response prompts, and these would be open-ended with multiple correct responses. And they would also reflect on the activity and explain which strategies they use to find their answers. The groups will also present their findings to the class, of course. I also included a list of materials, which includes access to a seed library, red and green colored pencils just to help them differentiate on their graph, a student worksheet with their prompts and questions, a blank graph for the students to record their data, and a student-created rubric, which I think is extremely helpful. This is what I would use to grade them, and when the students create the rubric themselves, it helps them understand their expectations for the activity.